This part of the morning is honestly the hardest part of the day.
Really? Why is it so hard? You just have to get dressed, right?
In theory, yes, it sounds very simple, but in real life, it's a different story. My daughter can never find her socks.
Ah, yes, the famous mystery of the missing socks.
Exactly. Every single morning I say, please put on your socks. And every single morning she looks at me and says, Daddy, I only have one sock.
Oh no, that sounds very familiar.
So then the sock hunt begins. We check under the bed, we look behind the sofa, we search everywhere like detectives.
And do you usually find them?
Eventually, yes, after several minutes, we finally find the missing sock. Then we move on to the next challenge, putting on shoes.
That can be slow too, especially with kids.
Very slow, sometimes painfully slow. And sometimes they put the left shoe on the right foot and the right shoe on the left foot.
That's adorable, but probably not very comfortable.
Not comfortable at all. So I help them fix it, and once the shoes are on properly, we go to the bathroom.
Time to brush teeth?
Yes, brushing teeth. Very important, but not very popular. They don't really enjoy it.
So how do you get them to do it?
I turn it into a game. I say, open wide, brush, brush, brush. We laugh, we play, and somehow the teeth get brushed.
That's a great idea. Making it fun really helps.